Leo Austria. Coach, congratulations. Like what Bea mentioned, you are 1 win away from booking a repeat of the Philippine Cup of Finals. But Coach, talking about this win, what can you say about the effort, the discipline, and the focus na pinakita ng mga manlalaro mo to get this victory?
Bago kita sagutin, allow me to greet our boss. Happy birthday kay RSA. More birthdays to come, boss. And then regarding the game, so that's the effort na we're looking for. If you compare the game namin, game 4 and game 5, it's a lot of difference. But this time, there's a lot of players who step up, especially on defense namin. And we're able to stop their bench to score heavily because Torres and Grabco and David usually sila yung gumagawa na madami. And then that's the reason why yung kanyang starter ay talagang press na press. But tonight we're able to limit their production, and our bench, especially Mota Tua, I think they were surprised with Mota Tua. And then I want to give him a credit for his game because he give us a lot of opportunity, and then a lot of thinking para do sa bench ng ng Ginebra. But we're 1-1 away from the finals, but it is not an easy task for us because we are experienced last All Filipino conference. We've gone into overtime. Into game 7, and nasa catch-up situation kami at that time. But fortunately, we won that game, and this is another time, and we know Ginebra's fighting spirit. Hindi natin sasabing NSD sila kung wala nun . And then kita-kita mo naman we're leading by 14 or 17 points, and all of a sudden, one shot away na lang to tie the game. But I think the players know how to deal that kind of situation.